Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. Love is in the air between Ubongo and Uma Rona. Yasin, they are loving each other shape. They are loving each and every moment of the love that they love. Yabon. Manje umpumi yena. Mfana taking a I don't know because it's a 10 or it's a curve or what. Kodwa umpumi I think that hey, umpumnanga bought the ring yena herself. Ring yakhe. She bought the ring ka Gabriel, and now she's writing a letter to the City Banks family because she's convincing herself that Gabriel is a very, very busy man and yena ibambo lakhe. She's a piece of Gabriel. She's going to help muntu wakhe get through this process. So right now Umpome is convincing herself that yena Gabriel is willing to write this letter and buy these rings so that they can send it to the Citibank's family. But because he's busy, Yena should take it upon herself to do that. Uwenda akasiworried ubuye ekuseni. Uthi she thinks that Umpoma is on drugs. Marona is like, no, Umpoma akakho ama-drugsini wema. Umpoma is not doing drugs. She's on high. But what is the high? It's the high of Gabriel, the high of fame, the high of everything. That's where Umpoma is living, man. You understand? And I'm sorry to say this to you. God was sabonikuncane. Lot is still to come. More is still coming. I when I was about worried more than the worry that she was worried when she got there. Because what is the meaning of more? Yeah, the trouble got them. Cozy and sleeping Fistos nabo Mercedes nabo Bruna noishimayele laphana unobunhlovela wathi hi uFistos mavuza awu baby bathi hayi 911 akasabaleki uFistos akasakhona noku-explaina we guys uFistos sekahamba ngemiri u-Ishmael now is left to explain because no, these are our neighbors. We just went to a gig with them and they said they lost the key now, and then we decided because silale and all that. It's not wow, what a lovely love story. Because it sounds like a love story to me, but again, I'm not gonna get too much glow. When I'm gonna go because I didn't want to be a nuisance. I didn't want to be like all over you. I just like giving you time to enjoy yourself. Can't this is what you do. Bye bye. Yaw Ishmael wahluleka Nkosi yami. Wahluleka uGabriel washo eza azolanza uNoah for the sport. Somehow they managed to convince Felicia to go to the game with them, and Felicia naye waya. Noah promising that he's gonna score 2 goals for Mawak. They went and they came back excited, and Gabrielle thought that maybe they should talk about the relationship. Yeah, got to Felicia was not having it. She was like, you know what? Because I'm trying to get to know what if you continue doing this. But Ngalana, she's smiling at him. I don't understand. I do not understand. Maro trip asingeke sisibayekele bo-girls bayeleni. She went there to tell them ukuthi u-road trip ufuna baba wakhe bona they are busy with OnlyFans girls ke bangalana umshini emntwana nama-stretch marks yena, and she's the one who took them from the gate wabambeka laphana. Now they acting like this and this. Uishmael usala mangedla sanibona sanibonani. U-Ishmael was left confused ukuthi hawu, oh, uma-road trip sekubhadala yena manje. Nami was like, wait, ugeli akahlanya, ugeli akaguli nakancinci nje, she's not guling. Ke umpumi yena ayi mina angisazi guys. So usho ukuthi i-Gabriel, they should call her to Gabriel because Gabriel like uyena has that effect mfethu. Ayibo, umpumi is writing a letter to ifamily yakhe, i-letter that they never even, I don't remember her and Gabriel having that conversation. or i-conversation leya mhlambe around lapho-ke to say that uzongishada ngithi muntu wami, we're gonna get married nini. No, I don't remember that kind of a conversation. If there's anyone who remembers that conversation, please comment lapha ku-comment section and say kuthi hayi man, they spoke about something like this. I don't remember them talking about that. Mpumi took it upon himself. It's not some sort of sickness, this one. Question G. For the fact that she took it upon herself and seemed like they never had a conversation, is that not being crazy somewhere in the head? I've been saying Usompumi needs hospital. I'm just not sure what kind of diagnosis she needs. Kodwa, this one is taking the cap shame. Is taking the cap to the moon and back and forward. So uFelicia yena feels like yena no Gabrielle, they should be going to hotels and spend weekends together and then come back amshaye isandla when she feels like shying isandla. No, what. Kodwa uBongo and Maruna, they don't deserve that. Kanjani mntali? Kanjani parent? How as a parent? Phela bathi she's a Proverb 31 woman, right? Which means she doesn't do any wrong. She doesn't do any wrong. But uNyamalala weekend yonke without telling anybody. And then she comes back and says that no, she needed to rest. Massage, what. Not saying that no, I went there with Gabrielle. That's a lie, number one. Kwakhona she didn't say that she went there with Gabrielle. Now Gabrielle is trying to get more. uFelicia akasafuni. Is that not her using uGabriel mangaba yena she feels like it, and then uma singasafili ngayona kena uzomthola ekedeni? No. Now she's very determined. She's very strong and determined that she's going to get Umaruna out of the country so that she can stay away from Ubongo. Okay, so Kahle feels like Felicia should be the only one who's just like telling people what to do and what not to do. And for the Proverbs 31 woman, Jenna, it falls some type of way. If she's a Proverbs 31 woman, I go guys. No, so no. I don't think Jenna she has the right to be a behavior. It's very wrong of her to think that is right. You see, they're not supposed to have this thing that they want, that they wish for, that they long for. Yeah, now she can just like pick and choose which one, when, and then, anytime she feels like it. That isn't up. So now she's surprised with Maruna and Ubongo. I'm sure she saw them. She went there and opened the door and she was shocked and went out. Kanti Umaruna and Ubongo, they had a session lapha studio, and that session led to a kiss. And I'm sure maybe she saw that. That's why she's so confused and very confused now. As for Unobunhle, that scene, I don't know, mhlambe cheating they describe it like differently. But Ishmael didn't tell Unobunhle that him and that girl kissed, right? He only said that we went out for a kick and all that. But why is Unobunhle saying that Ishmael cheated, manje? Why? Sebafika babalande mashit we guys. But so from the ghetto to the town and put shit in previous station, what?